Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Battlefield 6 unknown error Disian line error unknown on PC easy solution. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click EA Javelin Anti-Cheat, click End Task. Right-click Battlefield, click Properties. Click Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Beta Files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.